This man built a Lamborghini using a 3D printer. In 2018, Sterling Backus started printing a replica of a Lamborghini Aventador SV, relying entirely on YouTube videos to teach him how to 3D print. Over the course of 5 years, he printed the body of the car in numerous small parts, which he later glued together. The frame, on the other hand, was made out of steel, and the motor came from a 2005 Corvette. Lamborghini was absolutely amazed by what he did, so they reached out and gave him the steering wheel and the headlights from an original Lamborghini. They even went a step further by surprising him and his son on Christmas with a real Lamborghini and letting them keep it for 2 weeks.